FL-350 Stipulation to establish or modify child support in order. To prepare the stipulation FL-350, first fill in the caption. The instructions can be found in our caption tutorial. You use this form if you both agree to a child support amount. In number 1, you have two options. You can select box A and put in both your monthly incomes, or you can just select box B and attach the guideline child support calculator that you prepared. In box 2, check the box and write in the percentage of time the children spend with each of you. Complete number 3 if either of you is experiencing a financial hardship. Examples of hardship might include paying child support for your children from another relationship, extreme medical bills, or uninsured catastrophic loss that you experience. State the amount per month of that hardship and the date when the hardship is expected to end. For number 4, write in the name of the parent who has to pay child support and the amount that parent has to pay using the guideline child support calculator. Select box 5 if you both agree to the guideline child support amount. If you're agreeing to an amount that is non-guideline, select box 6. Then in 6A, write in the support amount you have agreed to. In 7, fill in the date for when child support payments should start. Write in your child's name, the amount of child support, and the name of the parent that is receiving support. If you have more than one child, you can try and fit the information here or attach a separate sheet with the additional information and label it Attachment 7A to the FL-350. Next, fill in the total dollar amount and select the box if it is due on the 1st of every month, or select the other box if you have some other arrangement, for example, 1/2 on the 1st and 1/2 on the 15th of the month, and write that in. For box 7B, if you've agreed to any child support add-ons, complete this section. Box 1 is for childcare costs, 2 for healthcare costs not covered by insurance, but this is also better covered in number 8C later on. And number 3 is for special educational or other similar needs. And number 4, if you have other expenses that you both have agreed to, you can write that in, such as agreed to extracurricular costs. If you do not have a dollar amount, you can put in a percentage and include the percent sign, such as 50%. Also include the parent's name who is being reimbursed and the date in which the payment is due. In 7C, write in the total amount of child support per month the parent will be paying to the other parent and when it is due. Select the box for the 1st of the month or the other box if you have another arrangement, such as 30 days from when reimbursement is requested. If you put in percentages, you can carry the percentages into this box or say, see above for breakdown. In number 7D, take time to read this section. It deals with child support automatically stopping with imprisonment. Let's go to page 2. At the top of the page in the header, write in the name of the petitioner and respondent and fill in the case number. In 8A, write in the name of the parent who's going to maintain health insurance for the children. Select box B if you need there to be an order to put your child on the parent's health insurance. This selection is rare. Select C if the uninsured health insurance is going to be shared and write in the percentage that you will each pay. For number 9, don't do anything if you both want an earnings assignment order to be issued. This means that the employer of the parent who is paying child support will automatically withdraw the child support out of the wages and forward them to the recipient parent. But select B if you both agree that you do not want an earnings assignment to be issued. In other words, one of you will pay the other child support directly or set up an automatic deposit to the other parent for support. You can skip number 10. Select box 11 if you have agreed to share the cost of travel for the children to visit you during your timeshare. Write in the percentage that you each will be paying. Select box 12 that you will each inform the other immediately of any change of residence or employment. Select box 13 if there are any other items you wish to include in your child support order. 14 and 15. These paragraphs state that you're signing this stipulation with full knowledge of your rights in regards to child support guidelines and that you're signing of your own free will. Select box A to state that your case has not been assigned to the Department of Child Support Services or that one of you has applied for welfare or public assistance. But if you have either situation, select B. Then go down to the bottom signature blocks for petitioner and respondent. You each will date, print your name, and sign your respective places. Now, the stipulation has to be signed by the judge in order for it to become a legally binding court order. Package this completed form with 2 copies, the filing fee, and a self-addressed stamped envelope for the court to mail the copies back to you. You can mail this packet or drop it off to the court. The judge will complete 17A, and if the judge is satisfied with the orders you're requesting, the judge will date and sign the completed form, and it will be filed with the court as an order. The endorsed copies will be returned to you.